Confidence hack number 32, the only math equation you will ever need to know. The confidence boost today comes through the 1% exponential equation. I'll show you what I mean. Hey, I'm David Nurse. I coach NBA players and CEOs and high performers how to hack their confidence. If you want a daily boost of confidence directly to your inbox, go to my website, davidnurse.com, and sign up for free so that you can start your mornings off on the right confident foot. Does this blow your mind as much as it does mine? The mathematical equation of 1 to the power of 365 equals 1, the same, but just 1% more. 1.01 to the power of 365 equals 37.8. Just that 1%. 1% more over the course of 365 days is 37.8 times more powerful than just 1. What would that be over the course of 5 years? Type it into a calculator and you'll see. It gets exponentially wild. But that's just it. 1% more daily can lead to incredible growth over time. The confidence comes in knowing that you don't have to do it all today, and you can't do it all today or tomorrow for that matter. You don't have to lose 20 pounds by the end of the week. You don't have to write your entire book in just one sitting. You don't have to have it all figured out in your marriage after one conversation. Cliche as it might sound, it's the little things that add up over time. What if you subtract it? Let's use this in the opposite way of subtraction, but you'll see how this momentum builds. So what if you subtracted 1 can of Coke per day from your lifestyle? That's 39 grams of sugar per can. Over the course of 1 year, the exponential equation, that is 14,325 less grams of sugar entering into your body. Do you think that would be a great long-term change? You won't see it in just 1 day, 1 week, maybe even 1 month, but you will in a year. What if you wrote a mere 500 words per day in your book that you've been wanting to write but haven't been able to pick up the pen? Average books are between 50,000 and 70,000 words. Let's say your book is The Meeting. We'll go with 60,000 words. It would take you 120 days to write your book. It's about 4 months. Not so daunting now, is it? So there is a lot of confidence to be gained through understanding the 1% exponential equation. 1 step forward daily. That's all it takes. So what are you going to do today to take 1 step forward towards your tomorrow? As you probably know, I am really big on health, and especially brain health. That's where it all starts, literally, the brain. And when I have an opportunity to try something out that is said to, this will improve cognition and help with neurodegeneration and also the inflammation in the brain, I'm gonna check it out. And what I have found has been really, really positive so far. I've been feeling clear. I've been feeling sharp. I've been feeling high energy. So I'm seeing the results, but also seeing and hearing the patient studies and the results that have been done. This is called Tri Neuro Supplements, just like it sounds. TRI Neuro, NEURO supplements.com. Check it out. They are changing the game when compared to Alpha Brain, which is supposed to be and supposedly known as the best. It actually outperforms with the level of ingredients and the cost. So it's not going to just rob you of the bank to be boosting your brain. It's a small pill that you take. It's just like a vitamin like anything else. And hey, check it out. What they're doing for the David Nurse Show and anybody listening, they're giving 20% off. The code at checkout is NURSE20, and that's TriNeuroSupplements.com. Check it out. Let me know what you think. Give me the feedback. And I think it's really worth it. Honestly, just anything you can do to protect your brain and the longevity of the mental health that you have, go for it.